Alright, so we're on the flight to Aguascalientes in the Denize. We've just had a couple of short stay in Mexico City at a love hotel. A mirror on the ceiling and a glass window in the bathroom. A wheat shed couch which I took a picture of. Now we're on a little prop plane on Aeromar. And then we're going to see Senora Alicia and the family. Aguascalientes. Right.
Okay, here I am in Aguascalientes with the Velasquez Lejo family, and we are eating pozole from Jalisco, 2 types of tequila, and we have a big gathering. We have guests. I am one of them. Muy bien. So we got a car today. We're going to be driving around in this. It's very nice of Denize's sister to lend it to us. Here I am in my first Mercedes. Not bad. Not bad. Maybe. Windy, but I think the drone can handle it. I think our boat has just arrived.
We're going to Salt Spring Island. No, we're going to see the amputee Jesus. I think we're going in that general direction. Oh, there's the dam over there too.
Metros de profundidad.
35 meters down.
Oh, dice que en el 91 perdimos.
La tilapia.
¿Tilapia?
Tilapia,
Es que es diferente el color del agua. Aquí hay más sol, entonces como que crece más el alga que le da el color verde.
Well, we're here at the biggest amputee statue I've ever seen in my life. It's the amputee Jesus of Aguascalientes. Massive. The reason it's here is because this is a lake, but it's artificial. And the statue was built to commemorate the loss of the village that was here, and all the people that had to move, so they built a statue to commemorate that.
Ay, me va a atacar. Hola. Oh, they're mounting. They're horny. They're horny cows.